Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me.
Hey babes, welcome back to another install video. In today's video, I will be reviewing Wesdior hair. They did send me a 13x4 1B straight unit, and this unit is 24 inches. Now you guys, the first thing I want to talk about with this unit is the texture. When I first got this unit, it definitely felt more of like a Peruvian type of texture. And if you never had Peruvian hair before, Peruvian hair is definitely more so on the Yaki side. It's definitely, I would say it feels, I don't want to say coarse because it's still good hair, but it just feels, compared to like Brazilian or Malaysian, it's definitely more of a Yaki. I'm just gonna say that. So definitely gave me more of a Peruvian feel. But I do want to say, the lace, it laid so good. It blended so well. I did bleach the knots, but I feel like even if I didn't bleach the knots, the lace would have blended so well. So you do have the option, if you want to bleach the knots, you can definitely do that, but you really don't have to. Especially for my beginners, if you feel like bleaching is too much, you really don't have to do that with this unit. I'm telling you. I love the lace. I'm just gonna say that. So as far as the parting space, I do think the parting space goes pretty far back. And one thing that I did love about the parting space is that it's already parted when you get the hair. So it's already parted down the middle. Now again, it's a 13x4, so if you don't want to keep that middle part, you don't have to. But I just really like that. And considering the fact that I love middle parts, that was perfect for me. I did just pluck it just a little bit to my liking. I prepped the wig a little bit before I started to install the unit. So I plucked the hairline a little bit and then I plucked the middle part. So that's, basically all I really had to do as far as this unit goes. You don't have to do much as far as the plucking either. I will say that too. So they did a lot for you as far as the wig goes, which I can definitely appreciate. Now you guys, the baby hairs, I did decide to do just the baby hairs on the sides and do it also on my edges. And the baby hairs were pretty easy to pull out and lay down. I definitely will recommend you use some type of edge control to get the baby hairs down, because the hair is definitely stubborn and it didn't want to lay down, so I had to go over it a couple of times. But now, as you guys can see, I'm just using my hair wax stick to get the hair down. Now, as far as this bulkiness, you guys, you definitely need to go over it a couple of times. Make sure you have the right hot comb. I will have it in the description box for the one that I use, because this is the correct one to use. You want to use the correct one. Basically, the one that you didn't want to use when you were little, when your mom wanted to hot comb your hair or your grandma wanted to hot comb your hair. That's the hot comb that you need to use on this hair, because it does not lay down automatically. So as you guys can see, now I am flat ironing the hair. Now again, this hair, I feel like it's more so on the Peruvian side, which is not bad. I've had different types of Peruvian textures. But with this one, I feel like it was a little difficult to flat iron. I had to go over it over and over again, and that just, it was a lot. So I had to use both my hot comb and my flat iron to go over it several times. So as far as that goes, you will have to take your time. Normally when I'm flat ironing hair, I just have to put it in sections and I just do it that way. With this, you need to take your time and flat iron the hair, because it's not going to get straight automatically. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that. But as far as any tangling or any shedding on this unit, there was no tangling, no shedding. So I can definitely, always appreciate hair that doesn't tangle, doesn't shed. Perfect. But it's just one thing I just didn't like, which was the hair was hard to flat iron. So Just make sure once you purchase this unit, you just again take your time. I have my heat up to 450, and that's pretty high heat, so yeah, you're gonna have to go pretty slow with this unit. But all in all, you guys, the unit, I would say, as far as it fitting, it fit very well. All you need to do is adjust the straps to your liking. Everything else is fine as far as the wig goes. It's just, like I said, the straightening part, it was a lot. And I actually went out this night and it didn't stay as straight as I needed it to. So yeah, but all in all, you guys, I did like the naturalness of the unit. Again, the lace was perfect. I didn't have to do too much. I did just blend in some concealer that I always use, but that's just something that I'm always going to do no matter what. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this install. Make sure you guys check out everything in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so you don't miss an update every time I post. Thank you guys for watching.